Guess what? We are welding once again. This is the old bed. Since the last time I made these brackets, I was here a couple of weeks ago. We put the new plates on and Mika has just been welding them on. Nothing exciting in that, just same welding. And here is the front wall, just a simple bar across, new plates, and it's looking good. After one of these posts was bent, we had to straighten that up, but yeah, mainly just welding. But the real work has been here in the tailgate. These are the old brackets from the old crossing, and Mika had to remove all of these, weld them on, and now he has cut the tailgate in half, add some plates. Tarvitset sä puikkoa? Missä sulla on? Pukilla. So that has been cut. New plates, new cross members. There we need 40 more centimeters of cross members and a bit of sealing because, well, grinds are small and we don't want them to leak. But what's happening now is that we are making the lifting points. If we ever rent an excavator or something, none of them will fit if the tailgate is down or even up. So we want to remove this easily with a tractor. Just add a strap to this, remove the vanes, remove the cylinders and lift it off. And after that is done, we are going to make these bars, weld everything up, and after that, last thing is to move the cylinder mounting point up and make the lines for the hydraulics, and then we should be able to test this. But not that much left. And after that, one day we need to sandblast all of this and paint it, because new metal, it'll rust, but we want to prevent that. So sandblast, paint, and this should be all good to go for years to come. Or actually we need to open up some holes there, and add some mounting points. But that's in the future. Varo perää! Ota eteen vielä! Eteen ja oikealle! Well, camera died and I forgot I had a charging cable at the car. But at the moment this side is almost done. This is only a spot I haven't done, but we are going to flip this around. So then it's easier, nicer, and well, this side is almost done. I need to measure the bed from the mounting hole to the corner, so that I can put this to correct position and weld it in place so that it will be sealed as well as possible. lähellä maata.
Lasketaan.
No eihän se painava oo silleen.
No ei se nyt ihan hirveen painaa silleen joo.
Joo, nyt mä pääsen jo. Kiitos.
Joo.
Eli nyt vaan vetää pellit tosta auki. Siitä saa noin nurkat. Sitten se reuna sieltä, se on mukavampi nyt. Se on nurkan takana. Ja sit varmaan nopea linkki tuolta noin tulpari.
No ei niitä tarvitse vetää kun sellaisille pätkille.
Juu. That is one more section all done, and if someone was wondering why I was grinding them, it is because these plates, they had already been installed before we made the brackets final, so when I grind it open I can weld this whole part all the way here and then weld the plate shut, so that's why. In theory, yes, it would have been better to make the frame before the plates, but Dad said that they were having some issues and they had to do it this way, so it will be like that sometimes. And yeah, it's, let's see, Sunday 25th of August, so time is of an essence and I'm trying to do as much as possible today, and well, I can do that easily. It's only 4 p.m. Those need to be welded, some there, and that bracket to be removed, new brackets, mounting brackets, mob bolts, however, for the cylinders, and then new hydraulic hoses, and I think that'll be everything for now. And yeah, as you can see, Dad has already taken the combine out and he's starting the harvest. Luckily, all of the grain will be hauled right there at the end of the barn, so he's just going to do it with tractor locally, but it's going to be a week or two that he's going to the far side, which is 20 to 25 miles out, so it's already over an hour one way with a tractor and what, 20-25 minutes with the Scania. So, and like I said earlier, this is going to be 18 cubic meters. Those trailers, they are I think 11, so they'll be much more productive. But yeah, back to grinding, welding. I'll do that side and then I'll see what I'll do. let's see if I can weld this seam here, because sun is shining from right up there and I had problems with it shining directly into the helmet, so I couldn't see anything. Yeah. Only about 5 more meters of seam to do. Fun times. Guess who ran out of battery just as I was going to say that this is the last welding stick for today and for some time. Because I need to go once again. My dad is left with this. We put it back on. As easy as removing it was. So just drop it on, put the pins on. The back end, it's little bowed. No biggie. This isn't a showpiece. This left side fits pretty much perfectly. The bottom is almost good. Just a little bit out. This is the reason I was pulling it in and measuring everything. This side is pretty much okay. The bottom bar, it's crooked outwards. But the biggest problem at the moment is here. This isn't good. So next thing he has to weld couple inch slips right there to make it tighter, and add some kind of a rubber damper there. Cut this off, no biggie. Actually, he said that Mika has already remade the brackets, so he only has to install the cylinder and then see where the bottom end has to be. It'll be, surprise surprise, 40 centimeters higher, so like here. Just weld those on and then measure how much of hydraulic line he needs, order it, and then he should be all good to go. Yeah, this has been a pretty big job, but it's getting finished sooner or later. But lots of progress made, and this should be seeing action in like 1 week or so. But yeah, I need to go to work because wheels and all the stupid stuff, but he's left with this. He also has to do some fixing on the truck itself. We found a broken pipe there, but as this chain lift won't be used next year, we are just going to cut it, remove the broken section, add an extension piece to it, and just this side of the line will be 10 centimeters that way, but it won't affect anything. The proper way would be to install all new hose, but you know, this will be used for this spring, this fall, next spring, and that'll be everything. Then this will probably be scrapped or something if someone is interested in buying this. I don't know, but you know, nice big cylinders, you never know what you could do with those, and so on. The bottom, in theory, it could be reused for some kind of a feeder or something. You never know what this will do in future. Yeah, we aren't planning on actively using it, so it'll be just quickly fixed. And you can see the oil drop on top of the toolbox. It's from the pulling motor, so the motor itself is leaking, the line going to the motor is leaking, everything is leaking, but as long as it holds, what, 7 more months and probably not used at all during the winter, hopefully. But yeah, Dad promised to take some videos of the harvest season if he has any time. Probably he isn't going to film anything on the bed, it's so minor, small things to do, so he'll probably just do those and get going. There he goes. This field has peas in it and some unwanted scrap. I have no idea what's there, just he's clogging up again. So he also said that he was using the bio waste from the garden, you can see there, but it caused a weird issue where there was some parts of tomatoes, and yeah, apparently he's also growing tomatoes with the peas, because you can, if I can find where he threw it, there, you could, he said that you could just go walk there and find those, but yeah, not fun. But yeah, bed almost complete. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe and comment and you know, all the normal YouTube stuff. See you later.